Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept, sequential processing. It sounds complex, but it's actually very simple and something we do every day. Sequential processing means doing things one step at a time. You complete one task entirely before moving on to the next. Think of it like a line or a queue. Each item must wait its turn. Nothing happens simultaneously. Let's break it down. First, what exactly is it? It's a method where a series of steps or operations are performed in a specific, predetermined order. Each step depends on the completion of the previous one. There's a clear beginning and a clear end to each individual action. Now, let's look at some everyday examples to make it super clear. Imagine you're making a sandwich. You don't just throw everything together at once. First, you get 2 slices of bread. Then, you spread butter or mayonnaise on them. After that, you add your meat. Next, you layer on cheese. Finally, you might add lettuce or tomato. Each step happens in order. You wouldn't add lettuce before getting the bread, right? That's sequential processing in action. Another great example is following a recipe. A recipe tells you to chop onions first, then sauté them, then add garlic, and so on. If you mix up the order, your dish might not turn out correctly. Computers also use sequential processing. When a program runs, it executes one line of code after another. It doesn't jump around randomly. It follows the instructions step by step. An assembly line in a factory works the same way. One worker adds a part, then the item moves to the next worker for the next part. Why is sequential processing so important? Well, it brings order and predictability. It ensures that complex tasks are completed correctly. It helps prevent errors because you can verify each step before moving on. It's crucial for tasks where the outcome of one step directly affects the next. It guarantees that nothing is missed. Without it, many processes would be chaotic and inefficient. It's the foundation for many systems, from cooking to advanced computing. It's about method and precision. So, in essence, sequential processing is about doing things in a clear, ordered sequence. One thing after another. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. Thank you so much for watching and learning about sequential processing with me today. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider supporting the channel. A like, a share, or even subscribing would mean a lot and help us create more content like this. We really appreciate your support. See you next time.